If you want to upload files to Google Drive from Android, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you two easy methods, using the Google Drive app directly and using the share menu for the fastest upload option. This is perfect whether you're backing up documents, photos, videos, or other important files from your phone. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's jump in. First, let's cover the most direct method, which is using the Google Drive app. Open the Google Drive app on your Android phone. Once it loads, navigate to the folder where you want your file to be stored. If you want everything organized, this is the best way to make sure your file goes exactly where you need it. Now, look for the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it. From the menu that appears, select Upload. After that, Drive will open your device storage. You can browse through your internal storage, folders, downloads, or media files, depending on what you want to upload. Find the file or files you want to add, then tap them to begin the upload. If you're selecting more than one file, you can usually choose multiple items at once, which makes the process much faster. Once you tap the file, Google Drive will start uploading it in the background. One helpful thing to note is that you don't need to keep the app open the entire time. You can keep using your phone while the upload continues. If you want to check progress, just pull down your notification shade and you should see the upload status there. This is especially useful if you're uploading larger videos or high-resolution images. Now let's move to the second method, which is the fastest way to upload files to Google Drive from Android. This method is great when you already have the file open in another app, like your Gallery, Files app, File Manager, or even WhatsApp. Instead of opening Google Drive first, you can send the file directly to Drive using the Share menu. To do that, open the app that contains the file you want to upload, select the file, then tap the Share icon. When the sharing options appear, look for the Drive icon. On many Android devices, it may say Save to Drive. Tap that option to continue. A new menu will appear where you can customize the upload before saving it. Here, you can rename the file if needed, choose which Google account you want to use, and select the destination folder inside Google Drive. This is really useful if you manage multiple accounts or want to keep files organized by project, school, or work. Once everything looks correct, tap Save. After that, the file will upload straight to Google Drive without needing any extra steps. This method saves time, especially when you're uploading something quickly from your phone's gallery or file manager. It's one of the easiest ways to move files into the cloud while staying organized at the same time. So to recap, if you want full control over where your file goes, use the Google Drive app and upload it manually from a folder. If you want the fastest method, use the Share menu and send the file directly to Drive. Both methods are simple, reliable, and work great on Android. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Android and Google Drive tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to upload an entire folder, share a Drive file, or organize Google Drive on Android in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.